how to ask AI to now give you some suggestions based on your text. Maybe this is our note now. We want AI to explain more and bring out some key points from our text that we just converted. Then we have to copy some of those texts to our AI. Before AI can work for us, we need to connect it to internet. So I will connect my phone hotspot to the system. So it's still connecting. So you have to copy all those texts. You highlight, you copy, then you take it to your Google, to your AI. You search for ChatGPT. That is the AI I normally use. ChatGPT. No internet. Let me reconnect. Then all those copied something, you now paste it. Then in the beginning, before the text, you have to tell AI what you want it to do. Like if you want to say, okay, please give me some key points and give me questions and answer for NTI standard. After you have written all this, then you click on your arrow to say detect. So it will now load and go and search for everything that you need to do. So it's telling you the key point now is the cancelling process. Cancelling process, a series of steps followed by cancelling. It will now give you some suggestions. Then it's telling you to read about interview phase. It's telling you to read about termination phase, follow phase, strategy phase. So possible question now is now the cancelling process reversed to. So this is how we can use it, but now it's giving me both question A and question B. So it's giving me answer in question A that divine cancelling process. Mention 4 stages in cancelling according to Okubia. Then what is strategy in cancelling? List 4 strategies used. So this is how you can prompt AI to get questions and answer and even suggestions from AI. Thank you. And that is how you continue till you finish all those things. So you can decide to be doing it one after the other. You copy everything, then you prompt AI to give you suggestions of questions, and even you can even ask AI to break it down and from those big English. Thank you and welcome.